Good evening all. So today now we are discussing about some important questions related to mechanical engineering. So that is diploma. So first we will go for SOM chapter, some important questions. So first is what is hoop stress? Hoop stress or circumference stress in an thin cylinder shell. Okay, this is our question. So what is hoop stress or circumference stress in a thin cylinder or shell? Okay, consider a cross section of a cylinder. Okay, consider cross section of a cylinder. So this is one of the part of or a cross section of a cylinder. So this is the some axis we have, two axes we have, one is vertical and is horizontal. So consider a horizontal axis x. Okay, consider an horizontal axis x. So this is the thickness of the shell or thickness of the cylinder. So what do you mean by circumferential stress or hoop stress? So now we will move on to that. So it is defined as the tensile stress induced in the wall along the circumference of cylinder is known as circumference stress or hoop stress. It is nothing but the tensile stress. So what is tensile stress? So tensile stress means a stress that is along in opposite direction. That is known as a tensile stress. Okay, so while considering in a cylinder, the tensile stress induced in a wall along the circumference. So this is the circumference. This is the inner dia and this is the outer dia. So a pressure is inside, some pressure will be there. So this is the tensile stress induced along the wall of a circumference of a cylinder is known as tensile or circumferential stress. So we can write this: tensile stress induced in the wall along the circumference of the cylinder is known as circumference stress. So mathematically we can do it as mathematically consider the length of cylinder is equal to L and thickness of wall is equal to T. Then diameter of wall, this is the diameter. Okay, from here to here is the D. Diameter of the wall is equal to D. Then intensity of pressure is equal to P. So we can write, therefore hoop stress is equal to sigma 1 or F1 or sigma L. This is the equation for, or normally we can term as hoop stress.